Have you checked out the Windows 10 Fancy Calculator app yet? If not, you should. Let's type in calculator and click on the calculator app. Now, of course, we have our standard calculator, right? This is maximized at the moment. It doesn't have to be, but it is resizable, right? There's a menu in the upper left-hand corner. If you click on that, you can switch to a scientific mode, which has all your fancy engineering type things. There's a programmer mode. Okay, there's a date calculation, so you can check out the difference between two dates. And then there's a whole slew of converters. So here we have currency converter, right? You can choose your different currencies, different values. You got volume, length, weight and mass, temperature, energy, right? And we can scroll down and see even more: area, speed, time, power, data, pressure, angle, right? So don't think that it's just the simple calculator that it used to be. It's a powerful multi-use tool that you may find all kinds of uses for.